Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you what is the RAM and internal storage availability in the Realme GT Neo 3 device after initial unboxing. Yes, when just now I did do the unboxing video as well on the Realme GT Neo 3, and right now I'm going to show you exactly what is the RAM and storage availability out of the box. And this is a 8GB and 128GB variant which I did order, as you can clearly see friends. And out of 128GB, 22.9GB is used, and the RAM expansion has been enabled as well because 3GB has been enabled right now. By default it will be enabled, so that's the reason it got decreased little bit. So 22.9, so consider as 23GB as a round figure. So 23GB minus 3GB as a RAM expansion, so 20GB is available out of the box in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. So that's how it is regarding the internal storage. And regarding the RAM availability, let me show you what is the RAM availability. Out of 8GB, 4.34GB is available right now after unboxing. That's it friends, thank you for watching. It's a quick RAM availability and the storage availability in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. So 4.31GB is available right now out of 8GB, and out of 128GB, 20GB is available out of the box in the Realme GT 2 device. So Realme GT Neo 3 device, not Realme GT 2, Realme GT Neo 3. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.